Hello everyone, I welcome you to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to install JMeter on a Windows operating system. So let's begin. Now to install JMeter, it is very important to install Java first. So for that I have already made a detailed video on how to install Java. So if you haven't installed Java previously, then do watch the video. I'll be putting the link in the description. So do install Java before installing our JMeter. So after you install Java, you can verify whether Java is installed properly or not. So for that, just simply go to search and type over here cmd and open the command prompt. And in our command prompt, just simply type java space dash dash version and simply hit enter. And you can see that our latest version of Java 19.0.1 is rightly shown. So now that our Java is rightly installed, it's time to install our JMeter. So for that, let's close this and just simply go to our favorite browser, and in the address bar, you need to just simply search with JMeter download, right, for Windows, and then just simply hit enter. And this is going to show you this jmeter.apache.org as our first source result. So here you need to click on this download Apache JMeter. And when you click on that, this is going to redirect to the official site of Apache. And here you can see we have this binaries option. So here it has it is available for this .zip and .tzz file. So here you need to download this .zip for Windows, and when you click on that, it's going to start downloading our Apache JMeter version 5.5. and here you can see that it requires at least version 8 and above of Java. So our Java is installed and our Apache JMeter is also downloaded. So let's minimize our browser and go to our download directory, and here is our downloaded version of Apache JMeter. It is a zip file, so this you need to extract it. So click on extract all and just simply click on extract, and you can see our extraction of our JMeter version 5.5 is rightly began. So it will take a couple of minutes. After that, I'll begin coming back to this video. So we'll come back, and now you can clearly see that our Apache JMeter 5.5 is rightly extracted over this folder. So just simply go inside that folder, and here you can see we have all files over here. So let's go back directory, and I'll just simply right click on this folder and I click on cut, and then I'll just simply go to my C drive, and here we have our program files. So I'll just simply go inside our program files and right click and paste the extracted JMeter folder. Just simply click on continue, and it's going to paste it over here, this Apache JMeter 5.5. Now you need to just simply go inside that folder and you'll get this bin folder. Just simply open that bin folder, and here you can see you have Apache JMeter.jar file. This executable jar file is developed in Java, so that's why you need that Java, right? And once Java is installed and also you have pasted this in our program files, just simply double click on this JMeter executable jar file, and it's going to start our JMeter. See, Apache JMeter is rightly launched. So let's minimize this, and this is our Apache JMeter interface. You can maximize it, and this is our Apache JMeter. So in this way, you can easily install latest version of Apache JMeter on a Windows operating system. If you need more videos on JMeter, you can always put a comment in your comment sections. I'll be happy to make more such videos. I don't want to make this video too long, right? So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.